Monarchs. In this week's video, I have this beautiful set. If you would like to see how I did these, continue on watching. Starting off with my favorite 𝔼𝕒𝕚𝕦𝕦 kit from Amazon, link down below. Nail glue, UV lamp, and nail tips included. I got my nail tips sectioned out using my electric nail filer to file down the inside of them. Time for my actual nails to be filed down. Perfect! Don't forget to dust off all the residue from filing. Let's start off with my thumb, dusting it off as well, grabbing our nail glue and adding an even coat to the nail tip. Now this is why I start off applying the nail tip by the cuticle area and pushing it downward. Apply pressure still while under UV lamp for like 5 seconds till the glue hardens a bit. We got our first nail done, let's continue on with the rest. So these are how the nails look. Now I will be using my Kiss nail tip cutter to cut them down to my desired length. Using now a buffer to buff out the shine, preparing them for nail polish.